was weird. Hey guys, it's Sonia. So for today's video, we're going to be doing part 2 of the DIY phone cases. We're going to be using our glue gun to make some DIY phone cases. I hope you have fun. I hope you like them. If you like them, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like me to do part 3, then you can go ahead and you can leave it in the comment section below. In today's video, I want to shout out this person right here, and I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing and for commenting. I really appreciate it. If you want to be next video's comment winner, then you can go ahead and you can leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. For these DIYs, we're going to be using hot glue gun. I am outlining my phone so that I can have a template for the next process. I am drawing the design that I want for this phone case. You can print yours from the internet, or you can also hand draw it, whatever you like. I'm going to outline the section where my camera is. Now I'm drawing some lines because I want my pattern to be diamond shaped. Attach it to your phone, and when you're through, you can just cover your phone with baking paper. This will prevent the hot glue from damaging the phone. Mark the areas on your phone that you don't want the hot glue to reach, for example the power button and the volume button. Now use your glue gun and trace out the template. After it's dried, you can cut off the glue threads. Now for this part, I'm using the glue gun to make some jewels. I'm going to use the jewels to decorate the front part of the phone case. Nail polish to paint my phone case. You can use actual paint, or you can spray paint it, or use paint markers. Whatever it is that you have, you can use. For the next DIY, I'm using a heart template so that I can make my own design. Write whatever quote or phrase that you want inside a heart template. Use the heart that was cut out to cover the phrase that you made, and then we're going to also use it as a template so that we can outline the shape. Now this is the fun part. Just put hot glue on the design that you just made and then leave it to dry, cut it out, and then we're going to use it for our next DIY. For this one, you can also use your own design, but I'm just using some drop of glue to hold it in place. Now I'm using my paint marker to decorate it.
By this time you're already familiar with the outline, so just go ahead and do that, and then we'll go to the design. So I just made a circle around the apple sign, and then I'm going to attach it to the phone case by drawing some lines. I'm using pearls to decorate this one. Pop the phone out of the case, and now you have a beautiful cell phone case. For this one, I'm just making some squiggly lines, and then I'm just going to use my glue gun to make out a word, and in this case it's happy, and I'm just going to let it dry, then paste it on the phone case.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any suggestions, then you know that you can leave it in the comment section below. Well, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.